Divine guidance. Be strong and of a good courage, for the Lord thy God, He it is that doth go with thee. He will not fail thee, nor forsake thee. Deuteronomy 31:6. We all wish to know that the divine presence goes before us, and we all have a right to feel this assurance. Every person is a unique presentation of the divine mind, a separate without being a separated entity in a universal spirit. Every person is, as Emerson said, dear to the heart of God. We shall all develop an increasing consciousness that we are protected and guided in everything we do, say, or think. Today I know that the Spirit goes before me, making plain my way. I feel that everything I do shall be prospered, and I fully accept that I am in partnership with the Infinite. It is my desire that only good will go for me. Therefore, I have a right to expect that only good will return to me. I live under the government of good and am guided by the Spirit of God. This I affirm. This I accept. The practice of the science of mind calls for a positive understanding of the Spirit of truth, a willingness to let this inner spirit guide us, with the perfect knowledge that the law of the Lord is perfect.